Hi mga Jaconatics. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create or personalize your subscribed button like this one. This. Hello mga Jaconatics natin dyan. Okay, so how are you today? Again, this is your Tutor Jaco at your service. Okay. Well, today I'm gonna teach you how to, create a personalized subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Okay, so it's good that you can personalize your call to action, which is the subscribe button and notification bell in a platform. Okay, so pwede mo ilagay yung iyong logo or yung mukha mo doon sa call to action na subscribe button. Okay, so how are you going to do that? I'm going to teach you how. Okay, so well, if you are new to this channel, okay, so again, ito yung gagawin natin ha. Okay, so paano gagawin ito? Yan. Okay, so please click subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated of my latest videos. Okay, and also don't forget to like and leave a comment. Okay, if you want a shout out, if you have a questions, okay, and if you like this video, comment down below. If you have some suggestions and like I said, a shout out, okay, so comment down below. All right. Okay, so today again, I'm gonna be teaching you how to create your personalized subscribed button. Okay, so it's really important for us YouTubers to have, it's just like a call, okay, for everybody to, subscribe your channel. So here we are. The first thing that we want to do here, of course, I'm using the platform Canva, all right, for free account. Okay, we Canva has Pro and Enterprise plan if you want to subscribe to them. But here I'm gonna use and utilize, okay, the free elements, the free subscription, okay, to this platform. So the first thing we want to do here is, of course, we need to create a design, okay? And since the notification, the subscribe button and notification bell is a video, so we will, yes, select YouTube video, okay? Yan. So YouTube video or pwede din YouTube video ad. Okay, so there you go. So we have like, 5 seconds. So first thing, so that you can edit it using Chroma Key. I know that a lot of video editors right now has this feature, okay? Chroma Key. So this time we will have it like, the background color, change it to green. Kasi alam nyo naman, di ba, mas madali i-edit yung green. Okay, para transparent, pwede mo i-transparent yung iyong subscribe button. All right, and then the next thing we want to do here is to get, some elements. Okay, um, first thing, yung hanapin natin is the frame. Okay, so hahanap tayo ngayon ng isang magandang frame, perfect for your subscribe button. Okay. Like I said, it's a good call to action. All right. Ayan. Okay. So ito na. So this in particular, this is the frame that I'm gonna be using. Okay. Ayan. Taas-taas natin konti. All right. And then, ayan. Okay. So gusto ko makita, ilagay dito yung aking profile pic. Okay. Or yung ginawa kong logo rin dito sa Canva. So actually, I've already uploaded it earlier. I mean, in the past videos I have. So I'll just, click it, click again, drop, and I drag and drop. Okay, so as you can see, papasok yun sa dyan. Ayan, okay? So para na napo-personalize mo na talaga. Okay? And then also, we will also check we will also get a subscribe button. So here in Canva, guys, we have a lot of elements already that is free. Okay. First, the subscribe button. Okay. So you just have to search in the element subscribe, and then you will be given a lot of options. Okay. Which one do you like? All right. Subscribe. Okay, ayun. So, as you can see, mayroong mga pro. So, kay yan, may mga ano yan siya, may mga bayad. Okay? But we will just select kung ano yung free. Okay? This one is free. Okay? So, you just have to click it and then, there you go. Okay? So, you can adjust the size. So, adjust natin ang size. Okay? Para naman, ano siya, talagang fit in talaga siya dito. Okay? So, ayan. So, andyan na siya. So, good thing because moving na siya. So you don't have to, okay, I just adjust. And then, what's next is the bell. Okay. So, ito na yung ating nahanap na bell. Okay? Nahanap ko rin yung bell na gumagalaw. Ayan. Okay? Okay. So, parang ano, kailangan kong lakihan pa ito. Ayan. So that's our personalized notification bell. But this time, gusto ko palitan lang siya ng ano lang, yung parang gray lang talaga. Okay? What about this? Parang closer na siya doon sa ano. Okay. Okay, so ganyan. Okay? So, if you are going to play this, so ganyan na yung lalabas dyan. Okay? In your other video editor, you can integrate the arrow. Okay, like click arrow clicking here and then in here. Okay, and then you can also add, okay, sounds. Gagawa din tayo guys ng isa pang ano, parang meron siyang ah, mouse click ba tawag doon? Okay. So let's just, create like an image. Okay, so Facebook post na lang yung gamitin natin na ano. Okay, so again, so we will just have to again have it in green background para mas madali sa chroma key, and then we'll just have to select, the mouse click. Okay, yung parang, okay, so hanap tayo ng libre. Okay, so ito, so ganyan. Okay, so ilalagay ko lang siya dyan. And then, in my OpenShot editor, doon ko na siya i-transform na magmo-move ang arrow na ito. Okay? So, later makikita ninyo in my OpenShot editor. Kasi yung mga output ko dito sa Canva, mi-integrate ko also in my other video editor. Okay? So, parang tatlo yung ginagamit ko na ano guys, na platform or the tools. Okay? So, meron akong OBS, OBS for the recording, okay, screen sharing, and then Canva for, creating the photo or creating the video, and then ini-integrate ko sila doon sa OpenShot. Doon ko na nilalagay lahat. Okay, so andito na tayo ngayon guys sa ating OpenShot video editor. Okay, so this time I'm gonna show you how it is done. Okay, so like I said, from Canva, okay, ini-integrate ko sa doon ko siya mas pinapaganda dito sa OpenShot na video editor. Okay, so makikita ninyo here. So, andito na siya. So, dalawang files, yung sample video ko here. So, again, if I will show it to you, ito yung parang, ito na yung final output. Okay. Na ginawa kong personalized na subscribe button and notification bell. So, we see it. Ayan. Okay. So, andyan na siya. Alright. Now, how to do it para maging ano siya, ito lang yung makikita, mawawala yung green screen. Okay? So, Lagay natin sa ibaba ang ating video. Alright? And let's see. But before that, kailangan muna natin itong i-applyan ng Chroma Key. Okay, again, very important yung Chroma Key sa mga ano guys, sa mga video editor. So, in OpenShot, again, punta ka lang sa effects and then makikita mo na yung mga effects and you can look for Chroma Key. Okay, Chroma Key green screen. Ayan, alright. So, edit natin yung fuzz ng ating Chroma Key. So, punta tayo sa ating advanced view. Alright. So, again, key color. So, pick screen color. So, andito na siya. Pick mo lang yung green color dyan. And then, charang! Okay? And then, since may natitira pang mga green-green dyan, okay? So, just increase the fuzz. Okay? There you go. So, wala na ang green-green na natira. Green-green. Okay. So, ayan. So, let's go back to the simple view para mas klaro. Alright. And then, itong video na ito, let's make it like, i-distort natin para full screen talaga. So, layout. And then, pasok natin siya. We just have to rehearse the timing. Hi mga Jaconatics! Today, I'm gonna teach you how to create or personalize your subscribed button. Okay, ganyan. I think this is better to be applied here. Tapos, lagyan natin ng animate natin. Anyway. So, yan, okay? And then, from bottom to center. So, I don't know kung ma-rehearse na natin yung timing. I'm rehearse. Analyze your subscribed button like this one. Okay, so ayan. So, that's how it is done. Okay, so mayroon ka ng personalized na subscription button and at the same time, meron ka na ring magandang video. Okay, so may magandang call to action. So alam nyo naman what's the importance of call to action for your subscribers, for your new viewers to subscribe to your videos. All right, so that's it, guys. By the way, again, thank you for watching. I hope this video is, helpful for you in making the visuals of your content, excellently looking good. Ako, I'm really, really trying. Okay, I am a newbie in this industry, so I'm trying to really learn. Okay, how to edit, graphics and video editing. So, nag-aralan ko talaga. So, uh, and I can also see good results. Okay, and yeah, okay, if you are new to this channel, so apply na natin yung aking tinuro ngayon. Okay, if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be updated of all of my new uploads. All right, and if you find this video helpful, just click like, and also if you have some suggestions, some comments or shout out, just feel free to comment down below. Alright, so that's it for today, mga Jaconatics, and looking forward to seeing more of you here in my channel. Alright, so that's it for today, and have a good day to everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.